Hello, work life warriors. Happy Friday. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Fun Funny Fridays. How are you doing today? How's your work week? We are at the end. Yay, we made it. How was your work week? Did you play this week? Did you play as hard as you work? What did you do? Do you have any fun weekend plans? Please share with me in the chat if you have any fun weekend plans. I am going to get out in nature. I have some fun family plans this weekend. I am definitely going to play. How about you? What are you doing this weekend for fun? On Sunday, if you are available at 10 a.m., I will be doing free laughter yoga in the park at Shelley Lake at the waiting area by the fishing pier. So if you're available, just get some tickets on Eventbrite or show up. We'll be there from 10 to 11. We'll do 25 minutes of laughter yoga. Then we'll do a walk around. And sometimes we go to eat after, but I will be there every Sunday from now, I think, until September. So check that out. If you do not have a plan to manage your stress and you live in the RDU area, come and join the So Laugh Tribe. We have a very good time just laughing, playing, unwinding. And it's like a community. So we have a community of practice. So come and join our tribe. If you are in the RDU area and you want to laugh the stress away, we have a good time. Today I am going to do some laughter yoga with you all. I'm not going to do the education part of it. I'm just going to talk to you about laughter, the importance for a quick second. Then we're going to jump right in. Is that all right? I know this is different. Normally on Fridays, I like to stick to my format of education, training, practice, but today I'm feeling more like in the practice mood, So I'll talk to you a little bit and then we'll get started. Is that all right? All right, so welcome, Work Life Warriors, to Fun Funny Fridays. I am Ebony Davenport, and I teach stress management. I show people how to utilize fun management solutions to decrease stress and counter burnout so that we're happier, healthier, and well-balanced. I use over 75 tips, tools, tricks, and techniques to manage stress, but today we're going to talk about my favorite, which is laughter yoga. Yes, laughter yoga by far is my favorite. It is because our body is biologically programmed to laugh when we are stressed out, right? We don't even think about why we laugh, but laughter directly decreases cortisol in your body and decreases stress. So when we are stressed out, laughter should be the first thing that we do, although we rarely laugh, right? Children laugh between 300 and 500 times, but in our adult life, we barely laugh, right? Maybe 10 to 15 times a day. And that's if we're lucky, right? Because if we're not looking at comedy or humor or jokes or anything like that, we may not laugh. We can go days, months, weeks, years, long times without a deep, deep, deep belly laugh. Not just a chuckle or a giggle, but a deep, deep belly laugh. And we should be more intentional about how we use laughter. See, in this though, it directly decreases cortisol in our body and it reduces stress, right? And it's a fun technique that you can use anytime, any place, right? So we should be more intentional. We always hear laughter is the best medicine, and yet we rarely use it in that way, right? So we do not need any stimuli, anything to make us laugh. We could just induce laughter, and 10 minutes of induced prolonged laughter benefits our body in so many ways, right? And we don't even think about it. So we're going to do some quick laughter yoga exercises. And there are only 4 components. So we're going to maintain eye contact. I'll look you in your eyes. You look me in mine. Because we have mirror neurons in our eyes and we can activate a more genuine laugh when we look at each other. The second one is hand clapping. We want to make sure that when we clap, our fingertips connect so that our major organs can receive the benefits. Clapping is associated with so many good things in our lives, and our body has 340 known pressure points, and 28 of them are located in our hands. So daily clapping helps us relieve so many things and help us counter so many illnesses and diseases. And so we should be clapping to make sure that our fingertips connect when we do so. And in between each laughter yoga exercise, we're going to do very good, very good, yay. The next one we're going to do, the next component is we want to make sure we keeping an eye up on our laughing and our breathing to make sure that we're taking in enough air. We do not want to run out of oxygen when we're laughing or we're chanting or breathing. We want to make sure that our breathing is even and that we can laugh properly. And the fourth one is to bring out childlike energy, because in order for this to work, we have to just let our guard down. at first we will feel a little self-conscious and we will have to fake the laughter, but as we keep going, it will feel so good, okay? So are you ready? We are going to have a good time, and I want you to just kind of relax and shake it out for a second. Relax, shake it out. And when you're ready, I want you to just start laughing. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. So it is around the time of the afternoon slump or the itis, right? We eat a heavy meal, and this is the time of day, 2 or 3 o'clock, where we start to get really tired and we kind of just want to fall asleep or take a nap. And what we're going to do is laugh those yawns away. I want you to pretend that you're yawning and laugh and yawn and laugh, and we're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. I want you all to think about all of the stressors you got going on in your life right now, the things that are stressing you out. And I want you to take the opportunity to take its power away, right? It may be stressing us out now, but when we think about it in the future, we'll go, why was I so stressed about that? So we can do that now by taking this power away. And we're just going to think about our biggest stressor and... Very good. Very good. Yay. There is so much going on right now in your life, my life, the world, right? Every time we turn around, every time we turn on the news, every time we try, it's something that may stop us or stand in the way, right? From who we want to be, how we want to feel, what we want to do. Our expectations are not met, right? And sometimes we just got to step back and think about things and laugh to keep from crying, right? So what we're going to do is pretend to cry, and we're going to change that cry into a laugh, and we're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. Sometimes we have to turn it up and turn it down depending on what's going on in life. Sometimes we have to use our big person voice. Sometimes we have to use our inside voice. So we're going to alternate between loud and soft laughter, loud and soft laughter. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. All right, now we're going to pretend that we're having the funniest conversation we ever had in our life. We're going to alternate between laughing and looking at the phone and laughing and talking and looking at the phone. Are you ready? Go. What, girl? What? What would you say? What? Very good. Very good. Yay. I know sometimes we walk around and we wear our emotions on our face, right? A lot of us walk around and we look so serious all the time. We're not smiling. We're not showing that we're enjoying this experience. So what we're going to do is change that. Right? We can always change it. We're going to alternate between serious face and laughter face, serious face and laughter face. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. The next one we're going to do is we're going to have a gibberish conversation. We're going to pretend that we are having the funniest conversation in another language. We're going to laugh and gibber, and we're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. Just two more. The next one we're going to do is pretend to sneeze, and then we're going to alternate in between sneezing and laughter, sneezing and laughter. Are you ready? Go. Achoo! Very good. Very good. Yay. So we're going to finish it off with the laughter yoga clap. I want you to jump in and get the rhythm. We're going to speed up until we lose the rhythm. And then we're going to ho, ho, ha, ha, out of here. Ready? Go. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ho, ho, ho. Very good. Very good. Yay! I always wind up laughing for real. And I had to do this all again in like 2 hours. Very good. Very good. Yay. So, how do you feel, Work Life Warriors? How do you feel after you practice 10 minutes of induced, prolonged, voluntary laughter? How do you feel? How do you feel? Do you feel any better? Do you feel more engaged? Did your mood change? Do you feel happier? Please share with me. I would love to know, how do you feel? Please share with me in the comments. How do you feel? Please. Laughter yoga, again, is one of my favorite things to do. It is a great way to reduce cortisol and stress. It is an easy tip. You can use it anytime, any place. People don't even necessarily have to know if you're doing it to release stress. They don't know what you're doing, right? So use laughter. Laughter feels so good. I don't know about you, but it's one of the best feelings in the world to me. And so I tend to use laughter weekly. I hope to use it daily. Sometimes I use it several times a week, depending on what I got going on or what appointments I got going on, because I do also teach laughter yoga sessions. And so, yes, get out there and play. You can use laughter to do it. You can use nature to do it. Make sure that you play this weekend. So when your alarm goes off, come Monday morning, you are excited to go back to work. You don't feel like you're dreading it. I remember feeling like that, but it's your responsibility to go out there and manage your stress, to use your free time in a productive way, to manage your health and well-being. You deserve it you deserve it. You owe yourself to give yourself a quality life and add the playful, fun, joy, laughter, all of the good stuff in life that you really want. And it's up to you to do so. I am here on the inner streets every day of the week in some capacity, so look out for that. I also offer stress management fun shops every third Saturday of the month. The next one is June 15th. So if you're interested in that, it's like a party. We do 25 minutes of stress discussion, and then we spend the next hour and a half playing, partying, enjoying, singing, laughing, talking, dancing, socializing, just kind of bonding and playing the stress away. So if you're interested, check out my website or social media or Eventbrite for that. Also, as mentioned, I'm doing free laughter and yoga in the park every Sunday at Shelley Lake from 10 to 11. Check out Eventbrite for that. I am also doing Grown Ups Gone Wild every second Saturday of the month in Pullen Park from 9 to 11. So June would be the first one. Check out Eventbrite for that. And if you're looking for someone, if life just feels a little hectic right now, stress is not normal. Although it is normalized, stress is not normal. So if you're feeling chronic stress, which means you're feeling stress every single day, maybe you need to sit down and talk with a stress expert. That is me. I am available to sit down and pick out what your stresses are, help you to identify your stresses. What we do is track for a week. We put a plan in place to make sure that you can manage your stress in a fun and easy way to sustain. And then I offer you a community of practice. So if you are interested, please check out my website for that. And as always, Work Life Warriors, I want you to enjoy your one life. You only have one life. We work hard, but we do not play as hard as we work. It is your responsibility to do so. So get out there and find a group. You can come and join some of my groups. I have many community of practices to help play the stress away in many different ways. As mentioned, I have over 75 tips, tools, tricks, and techniques. So if you're interested, please contact me. And I want you to enjoy this weekend, especially if you're in Raleigh. It will be a beautiful weekend. Get out there in nature, go and play, find something fun to do, go to a park, really enjoy yourself. You never know when this is your last opportunity to do so. So while you can do that, practice gratitude, get out there and make your one life count. Have a great day, Work Life Warriors. I will see you tomorrow for Saturday. We'll probably do a Nailed It challenge. Have a great day. Bye.